December 21st. We're tracking a level 1 storm with more to come after that.
With more to come. You know what, the winter has arrived.
Yeah, Lisa is tracking the latest on that with some wet conditions for us. You were saying primarily the North Bay, though, is going to be impacted?
Yes. I mean, we'll see some scattered showers throughout the day in the city, over in Oakland, maybe even the next hour. But the rainfall accumulation definitely is focused on the North Bay through the weekend, where you'll see the heaviest rain. Into Marin County, we go closer, and you'll notice right here, looking at Sebastopol, some light rain. In and out of a little bit of light rain there in Santa Rosa and back westward towards Guerneville. And you can see right here from Inverness to Bolinas, perhaps a few scattered light showers, but still the activity offshore. But notice it's going to all move to the east. So San Francisco, Oakland, you'll be getting your head wet throughout the morning hours and then becoming more scattered throughout the afternoon. High surf advisory right on through Sunday. So dangerous conditions right now, 8 to 9 feet. San Francisco, Bodega Bay could see as high as 20 feet out there throughout the weekend. It is a mild 56 with those south winds and the cloud cover in Oakland, but a cool 46 in Sonoma, and there is a lot of fog in the East Bay from Concord to Livermore, 2 to 3 mile visibility, Vacaville a half mile, and up towards the North Bay, about 3 miles now in Nevada. Festive look out there from our Exploratorium camera. Winter rain for the weekend. Light level 1 system, though, next week. The systems will be stronger, wet and windy. Snow levels will be fluctuating and kind of high, unfortunately, and looking at a dry day for Christmas. A good break there before we get into that strong storm Christmas Eve, and then perhaps another hefty one after Christmas. Still have to follow the forecast because it is several days out. Breezy conditions there along the coast. Noontime, still a little breezy there, and then the winds certainly lighten up. Tracking the rain then, notice the North Bay through the morning hours, slipping into the East Bay, maybe San Francisco, and then by 9 o'clock, another wave of shower activity. Scattered East Bay and South Bay again, and rainfall amounts through Sunday morning, very light. You'll notice we get a few more into the East Bay. This is Sunday night, where we'll see a stronger system, but through 11 o'clock Sunday night, anywhere from about 1/10 of an inch in the East Bay to 2/10 to upwards of a ½ inch or better in the North Bay. It is in the 40s. Lake Tahoe, 67 in Vegas, so milder there. Sunny throughout the nation's midsection, 40s and 50s, and then cool 20s and 30s with that snow.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you for joining us this half hour. We are tracking this level 1 storm moving through the North Bay right now.
Yes, we're seeing some showers in the North Bay, also along the coast. Look at those lightning bolts. Not like last weekend by any means. We are probably going to see all of this stay to the north, but can't rule out maybe a rumble of thunder in the extreme North Bay. But there are light showers as we go in a little bit closer. You'll notice the activity there to the north of us, and then some light rain from Santa Rosa to Occidental, Glen Ellen, Sonoma, Highway 116, and then back westward to Dillon Beach, Marin County, Lagunitas Highway 1, and Bolinas, as well as Inverness. Some wet weather finally beginning in San Rafael and perhaps southern Marin County down through Tiburon, right off the coast of San Mateo here. So you're going to get some showers into the city in the next hour or so, and perhaps slipping into Oakland. But then there's not a whole lot of this system left, but we have breezy winds ahead of it. It's going to be a level 1 throughout the day and into Sunday. High surf until 4 o'clock tomorrow, 8 to 9 feet right now, but we could see as high as 20 feet. Trying to get you a shot where it is light out there because the sun not coming up until 7:21, 50 degrees in Santa Cruz, a high of about 60 today, 50 downtown right now, a mild 56 in Oakland, so not as cold out there. Those breezy southerly winds allowing for that insulating blanket with the clouds and that mixed atmosphere. 51 in Santa Rosa, but a cold 44 in Napa, and some fog here from the Delta to our inland valleys up in the North Bay. And finally, our Exploratorium camera. So winter showers over the weekend, level 1 today and tomorrow. Next week, we will compound the saturated ground with some stronger systems, windier. That level 2 arriving for Christmas Eve and then Christmas Day. And Hanukkah, dry, cloudy, and cool. Here's a look at the breezy winds, 20 to 30 miles along the coast. So we've been having some issues at SFO with those gusty south winds, but throughout the day, they do subside. Here's a look at the track of the rain. Notice the focus is in the North Bay, but we have some showers throughout the peninsula and East Bay. 9:30, more rain up towards Santa Rosa, and then by noontime, scattered showers from the peninsula, and then the bulk of the day, really not bad. It will will be dry into early Sunday morning, probably while you're sleeping. Some late showers there and a dry afternoon. Later on Sunday, you can see some heavier activity moving into the bay into the evening hours. We're adding up the rain from today and tomorrow, and notice the highest amounts in the North Bay. A quarter of an inch perhaps from Oakland, less than that in the South Bay and the peninsula. Not that much, but as we go into next week, things really pick up. This is a 7-day outlook where we're looking at over 2.5 inches of rain. Here are the 7 things you need to know this morning. We have rain showers, a level 1 system bringing rain in the North Bay.